Hey guys, I'm back with a new topic and my today's topic will be comparison of adjectives. In this video, you are going to learn more on comparison. You are going to learn positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree. So, to know more about comparison, you have to see all the slides I have shared. If you think it's helpful, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Want to see more of my video? Then check the I button. Now let us move to the first slide of this topic. See, something is written. Examine the following sentences. 3 sentences are given. We are supposed to compare them. First one, Rohan is a small boy. Second sentence, Ali is smaller than Rohan. And the third one, Ayush is the smallest of the 3. When I say Rohan is a small boy, do I compare him with any other boy? The answer is no. I simply say that Rohan is a small boy. When I say the word smaller in the second sentence, how many boys do I compare? I compare 2 boys, Ali and Rohan, and say that Ali is smaller than Rohan, means one is smaller than the other. When I use the word smallest in the third sentence, I compare Ali, Rohan and Ayush and say that Ayush is the smallest of the 3 boys. Now moving on to the second slide. Here we are going to learn what is positive degree of the adjective. The simple form of adjective is called the positive degree. Take some examples like small, tall, short, bold, young, brave, etc. Now moving on to the third slide. Comparative degree. The form of an adjective used in comparing 2 objects, specifically 2 objects, is called the comparative degree of an adjective. Like small can be written as smaller, tall, taller, short, shorter, bold, bolder, young, younger. Moving on to the superlative degree. The form of adjective used in comparing more than 2 objects is called the superlative degree of the adjective. Like I can use the word small and write the same in the superlative degree as the smallest, tall, the tallest, short, the shortest, large, the largest, and so on. Now let us begin with our next slide. See, here we are going to learn how can we form the comparative degree. Comparative adjectives are used in sentences where 2 nouns are compared, and it can be shown in the following pattern. Like noun as a subject, plus I am using a verb just beside it. Then I am adding the comparative adjective. Just beside it I am using than and the noun as an object. Let me give you an example. My room is larger than hers. The word larger. This chair is smaller than the one I was sitting on. The word smaller. So, comparative is usually formed by adding er to the positive. Like small can be written as smaller, tall, taller, short, shorter, bold, bolder, young, younger, large, larger, and so on. Now in the next slide, what are we seeing? We can know how to form a superlative, the superlative degree. Superlative adjectives are used in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. Similarly, noun as a subject plus verb, and here the key word is the. We are using the superlative adjective and the noun as an object. When I am using a superlative one, we put the. The superlative is usually formed by adding est to the positive. Like small can be written as smallest, tall, tallest, short, shortest, bold, boldest, brave, bravest, and so on. See, I have given two examples like my dog ran the fastest of any dog in the race. I have added the and fast has become fastest. This is the smallest box I have ever seen. The smallest. These are the ways to form superlative degree. Now let me begin with the next slide. See how comparatives and superlatives are formed. Small, smaller, comparative is smaller and the superlative is smallest. Tall, comparative is taller and the superlative is the tallest. In positive we have short. When it is comparative it is shorter, and in case of superlative it is the shortest. Bold, bolder, boldest, young, younger, youngest. In the next slide I have given more examples like noble, nobler, noblest, fine, finer, finest, brave, braver, bravest, large, larger, largest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, happy, happier, happiest, merry, merrier, merriest, fat, fatter, fattest, big, bigger, biggest, sad, sadder, saddest, red, redder, reddest. See, I have given three numbers. First one is 1, number 2 and the last one is number 3. Means showing number 1 when the positive, just follow the words like noble, fine, brave, large. All these positive ends with E. So when I am writing the comparative I am just adding R, and when I am writing the superlative I am adding ST. Similarly for number 2, all the positive is ending with Y and with a consonant before it. It has a consonant before it. It is ending with Y like heavy, pretty, happy, merry. Y is changed into I before ER. Y is changed into I before ER in case of comparative, and similarly the superlative one I am adding EST. And in number 3, when the positive is a word of one syllable and ends in a single consonant, when the positive is a word of one syllable like fat, big, sad, red and ends with a single consonant with a short vowel before it. All these have short vowel before it. Then the consonant is doubled before adding ER. Before we add ER means before we make it comparative, the consonant is doubled. And similarly, when we are making it superlative, we are adding just EST. Now moving on to the next table, and this table shows comparison of irregular forms, right? In positive we have good, comparative, better, and the superlative is the best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, many, more, most, much, more, most. Now here we are getting two words like late can be written as latter, latest, later, last, old, older, elder, oldest, eldest, far, farther, farthest. Now notice the distinction in the use of older, elder, oldest and eldest. He is older than I am, and he is my elder brother. These are the two examples which help you in understanding the difference between older and elder. Now similarly, the oldest and the eldest. He is the oldest man in the village. His eldest son is 60. Now let us move to the last slide of this topic. Here you can see the adjective is already a rather long word where we do not make it still longer by adding er or the est. It is compared by prefixing more and most, like expensive. I'm not writing expensiver or expensivest. I'm writing more expensive and the most expensive. Severe, more severe, the most severe. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Delicate, more delicate, and the most delicate. Now at the end I'm giving you more examples, like first one, her ring is prettier than mine. Second one, cheetahs are the fastest animals we can find. Third one, eating fruits and vegetables is healthier than eating hot dogs. Fourth one, the blue whale is the heaviest animal in the world. This comes to the end of the session of comparison of adjectives. You have understood the comparison of adjectives from my video very well. So the thing I expect from you is a thumbs up, share as much as you can, and last but not the least, do keep on subscribing my channel. That's all. Thank you.